Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful insights. All the links mentioned in this GreenDropShip review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the platform. GreenDropShip, a deep dive into dropshipping natural and organic products. GreenDropShip is a dropshipping platform that caters specifically to the natural, organic, and specialty product market. This makes it a powerful tool for entrepreneurs looking to connect with health-conscious consumers. With a comprehensive product catalog, US-based warehouses, and smooth integrations with popular e-commerce platforms, GreenDropShip provides a streamlined drop-shipping solution for those seeking to capitalize on this expanding market. A key strength of GreenDropShip lies in its curated product selection. The platform prioritizes high-quality, sought-after items in categories such as organic groceries, natural beauty products, health supplements, and eco-friendly household goods. This specialization allows you to meet the growing consumer demand for sustainable and natural products, providing a distinct advantage over more generalized drop-shipping platforms. Furthermore, GreenDropShip's US-based warehouses facilitate quicker shipping times and dependable delivery. This is a significant plus for businesses targeting US customers, as reduced shipping times contribute to increased customer satisfaction and a stronger brand reputation. The platform also provides real-time inventory updates, preventing the frustrating experience of selling out-of-stock items. Integration with popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce is seamless, automating processes such as product uploads, inventory synchronization, and order fulfillment. You can efficiently add products to your online store using the professionally crafted descriptions and high-quality images provided by GreenDropShip, freeing up your time and resources for crucial market research. For data-driven decision-making, GreenDropShip offers tools to identify trending products and assess their market potential. This functionality is invaluable for dropshippers seeking to optimize their product offerings and enhance profitability. The platform also accommodates wholesale purchasing, giving you the flexibility to test products in bulk or even transition to a hybrid business model if desired. It's important to note that GreenDropShip operates on a membership basis, requiring a fee to access its services. However, this cost is justifiable when considering the benefits of expedited shipping, access to specialized products, and the availability of professional support. In summary, GreenDropShip presents a compelling option for dropshipping entrepreneurs focused on the natural, organic, and specialty product niche. Its unique product catalog, dependable shipping infrastructure, and seamless integrations make it an ideal choice for establishing a thriving niche-focused online store. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about GreenDropShip and determine if it aligns with your dropshipping objectives. This review aims to provide the clarity you need to decide if GreenDropShip is the right platform for your business venture.